What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and set up VirtualBox on your macOS. So head over to this website, virtualbox.org, and click on this download section. From here, you need to choose the architecture that you are using. For Intel, you choose this macOS/Intel host. If you're on the Apple Silicon chips, then macOS/Apple Silicon host. So I'm on the Apple Silicon, so I'm just going to choose this one. And you can see the VirtualBox has started to download, and it's just a DMG file. So you can see the download is done. I'm just going to open this DMG file, and I'm going to double click on this virtualbox.pkg icon. And this is the setup. Click on continue, click on allow, click on continue, click on install. Now I'm just going to give my password, and you can see the installation was successful. Now just close this and move the DMG to bin if you want to. I'm just going to move it to bin. Now if I open the Spotlight and search for VirtualBox, you can see it's there. And this is the software. Now you can click on this new to create a new virtual machine if you have the ISO. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up Ubuntu with virtual machine on macOS. So stay tuned for that video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.